Welcome to this video on creating a Microsoft team for your D2L Brightspace course at the New Brunswick Community College. If you'd like to create a Microsoft team for your Brightspace course, you can simply log into Brightspace, and on the Brightspace homepage, you can just select from your list of courses the course that you want to create the team for. So I'm just going to select this Brightspace course here, and once I'm brought in to the course homepage, if I scroll down, there's going to be a widget titled NBCC Teams Course Sync. And so to create a Microsoft team for this Brightspace course, all I have to do is press this blue Create Team button. So it's important to note that the sync process between Microsoft and Brightspace to create your team runs overnight. So if you press the Create Team button, for example, on Monday afternoon, it'll appear on your Microsoft Teams list Tuesday morning. So it's not an instant process. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press the Create Team button right here, and it's going to change the status to Team Creation Queued. And so the next day when you come in, so again, if for example on Tuesday morning you go in, it's going to change it from Team Creation Queued to Team Created. And that's how you'll know that your Microsoft team is created. And then you can simply go under your Microsoft Teams application here. And then if you go under the Teams section, so we're going to go under the Teams button here where all of your teams are listed, you'll scroll down through your list and you're going to find the team that you just created. So here's the one right here. And so in order for your students to be able to see that Microsoft team, what you have to do as instructor is you have to go and you have to select it and you need to activate it. So up here at the top, so we're just under the general channel. And at the very top, you can see the number of students that are waiting to join and that you'll need to activate it for them to see it. And so to activate it, we just press the Activate button. And then you'll get this little message here. And we're just going to press Activate to make it available to the students. And you'll get this, your team is now active message, and we'll just press OK. And it's also important to note that the students enrolled in your team will match what's in Brightspace. So if a new student gets enrolled in your Brightspace course, within 24 hours or less, the student will be enrolled in the Microsoft team. However, the sync process does not yet have the ability to unenroll users. So if any student unenrolls from your course, they will be automatically unenrolled from your Brightspace course, but you'll have to manually remove them from the Microsoft team. And how you can remove a student from your Microsoft team is if I just go back to the All Teams area here where I see all my teams. Again, I'm just going to scroll down through my list, and in the team that I want to unenroll the student in, I'm just going to click on the three little dots here, and from the menu, I'm going to select Manage Team. Now once I'm brought in the Manage Team area, we see the team owners here, which should be the instructor, and then the members and guests here, which are the students. And so to unenroll a user from the team, all you have to do is select the little X button here on the far right. So I'm just going to press X, and it will remove that user from the team. And that's it. So this concludes the tutorial on creating a Microsoft team for your D2L Brightspace course at the New Brunswick Community College.